Hey, Algebra 1, Mr. Schachter here to talk to you about adding and subtracting polynomials. All you got to do when you add and subtract polynomials is combine those like terms. You may ask yourself, Mr. Schachter, what does it mean for two terms to be like? Well, two terms that are like, they have the same exponent. So 3x to the second power and 5x to the second power are two like terms. They could actually be combined together, right? You could add those together to say that that's simply 8x to the second power if you added them. So these terms are like. So what does it look like if terms are not like? Well, that just means they have different exponents. For example, 3x to the second power plus 5x to the first power. These are not like, and they actually could not combine to give you anything at all. You would just simply say, oh, that's the final answer. You can't actually add them together. Let's do a practice problem. Here, let's start with the first one. So this one says t squared plus 2s squared minus 4t squared minus s squared. So the first thing is, let's find our like terms. So do we have any other t to the second powers? Yes, we do. So these could add together. So this is 1t squared minus 4t squared. That's going to be negative 3t squared. So those are all set. And then we look to the s squareds. And I asked, do we have any other s squareds? Yes, we do. We have 2s squared minus 1s squared, which would just give us s squared. So that would be the final answer. All right, let's try another example. So let's look at this one. This one is 6x to the third power, minus 5x to the third power minus x to the third power. Well, they all have the same exponent. These are all like terms. You can actually add them all together. So you've got 6x to the third minus 5x to the third gives you 1x to the third. And then if you minus another x to the third, you actually get nothing. Everything cancels. So the answer is 0.